Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your coffee taste better. First, let's talk about water. Your coffee is over 98% water, so its quality is paramount. Using filtered water, like from a Brita or a refrigerator dispenser, removes impurities that can negatively affect flavor. This simple step alone can elevate your morning cup from good to truly great, ensuring a clean and pure taste every time. Next, let's focus on the star of the show, your coffee beans. Always opt for whole beans and grind them right before you brew. This preserves the delicate aromas and flavors that quickly dissipate once ground. Look for beans roasted within the last 2 weeks for peak freshness. Store them in an opaque, airtight container at room temperature, never in the refrigerator or freezer, to maintain their optimal quality. Now, let's talk about grind size and brewing. The right grind is crucial for proper extraction. A coarse grind works best for a French press, while a fine grind is ideal for espresso. For drip coffee, a medium grind is usually perfect. Experiment with your coffee-to-water ratio. A common starting point is 1 part coffee to 16 parts water, or about 2 tablespoons per 6 ounces. This ensures you extract the best flavors without bitterness. Finally, 2 often overlooked factors are water temperature and equipment cleanliness. Water that is too hot can burn the coffee, while water that is too cool leads to under-extraction. Aim for a brewing temperature between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, regularly clean your coffee maker, grinder, and any accessories. Old coffee oils can build up and impart a stale, bitter taste to your fresh brew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.